The cabin air filter in 2011-2020 Dodge Journeys is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, open the glove box completely. You'll need to either remove retaining pins or screws that hold the glove box in place, allowing it to drop down further than usual. Behind the glove box, you'll see a plastic cover, usually secured with clips or screws. Remove this cover to expose the cabin air filter. This provides direct access for replacement. Carefully slide the old cabin air filter out, noting the direction of the airflow arrows printed on the side. These usually point downwards. Vacuum any debris from the filter housing. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrows match the original orientation to prevent incorrect installation and ensure proper filtration. Replace the plastic cover, securing it with the clips or screws. Finally, reattach the glove box by realigning and securing the retaining pins or screws. Turn on the AC to test airflow and ensure the replacement was successful. Replacing your filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles will keep the air in your car fresh.